This is my capitalist Christmas post for 2018. My site, GuyanduranteWriter.com, is dedicated to art that's inspiring, thought-provoking, skillfully executed, and/or breathtakingly beautiful. But once a year, I stretch that to include the fabulous decorations, clothing, and jewelry that are on display in Manhattan during the holiday season. Enjoy! This, incidentally, is the Empire State Building at Christmas in a fog. First section, decorations. The stars in the Time Warner Center's atrium have been for years my favorite holiday decoration. If you look in last year's Capitalist Christmas post, you'll see them. This year, those have been bumped by the amazing light and music show at Saks Fifth Avenue. I have never, ever seen so many New Yorkers and tourists just stand still, looking up and smiling. Here is the 1-minute video that I took a week or so ago. If you turn around 180 degrees from the facade of Saks Fifth Avenue, this is what you see, the tree at Rockefeller Center. And that's Prometheus, of course. Also at Rockefeller Center, I really like their trumpeters. Each one of them is 10 or so feet high. A couple blocks away from Rockefeller Center is Tiffany's, 5th Avenue at 57th Street. At Christmas, the facade is always dripping with gems. This year, the robot over the north entrance seems to be made out of Tiffany's famous blue boxes. Next section, whatever shall I wear? This was taken at Ralph Lauren, Madison Avenue at 72nd Street. It is tasteful, as you'd expect. It is giant bears, which you might not. And there are more of them. They're in every window, in fact. Moving on to Bergdorf Goodman. Their windows always remind me of those really clever commercials that stick in your mind, even though you have no idea what's being sold. But I always make a point of checking them out. This year's theme is candy. And here are two more of the windows. You are allowed to pause the video and try and sort out exactly what's on sale here. Next, this is currently the winner for my favorite evening gown, although I'm quite capable of changing my mind at the last minute. Next section. The accessories. Calling these accessories is like calling Buckingham Palace your humble abode. I've probably not earned enough in a lifetime to buy any one of these necklaces, but walking past and adoring them is free. These are all at Van Cleef Arpels, 5th Avenue at 57th Street, cat-a-corner from Tiffany's. I am very fond of asymmetrical jewelry, and I wonder if this one on the left is balanced so that it will stay put in that position when you're wearing it. I wonder if just for the sake of research they'd let me wear it for an hour or so. Final section. Looking at these penguins on Madison Avenue, I don't know if I'm charmed or seasick. Moving on to wordplay. On the left, Diesel recognizes the importance of thinking. And on the right, Maquillage recognizes the law of identity. Yes, more is more. Next up, another window that makes me want the props more than I want what's being sold. They're so cute. And finally, if I weren't on a low-carb diet, I would be baking gingerbread this year. If you like the Capital's Christmas Post, there are versions for other years on DianeDurantewriter.com. Click the holidays tag in the Obsessions cloud. If you're not already a member of my free Sunday recommendations list, the URL for doing it is at the top, or just email me. You can also support me. I really appreciate the support, starting at $5 a month on Patreon, or follow me there for free. And check out DianeDurantewriter.com for posts on sculpture, Central Park, and my other obsessions. Thank you so much for listening.